Okay, y'all, so I am going to be making some vegan crab cakes for my daddy for Father's Day. Father's Day is tomorrow, but I can't post it today because I don't want him to see what I'm doing. But I'm going to show y'all the ingredients that I got, okay? We got chickpeas. Okay, I'm gonna put this is a can of chickpeas, and this is a can of jackfruit. Okay, so I'm gonna mash that up in there. Take any of these hard pieces here. They're a little tough. I'm gonna take that out of there. And then I got some green onion, some bell pepper, green, yellow, orange, red, some onion. I'll put it in here. I'm also gonna put some seaweed. And these are all my seasonings. Okay, these are all my seasonings that I'm gonna put in there, and I'm gonna use this as a base. So you're gonna see how I do the patties or whatever the case may be when I mix all this up. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna start with. Okay, now in case y'all were wondering, I'm using the green jackfruit in the brine, so that's why it's important that I rinse that off, because I didn't want that briny taste to carry in the dish. And then just any old garbanzo bean, if you want to do dried, if that's up to you. You're gonna have to soak them overnight and then boil them. I don't have time to do all of that, so that's what I used. And we're gonna see how I'm gonna press these out so you can see the shape of them, and then I'm gonna bread them. Then I'm going to freeze them, okay? And then I'm only gonna freeze like a couple of them. I'm gonna make them two, because if you don't like it, because I know I'm a smash, okay? But if he don't like it, I don't want to just have like the whole batch out there with him. He gonna throw them away, because I don't like to waste food. No, I don't, okay? So we're gonna see how these turn out, okay? Okay. Now on this side, we got the jackfruit, and then I just mashed up the chickpeas. So we just gonna combine it. Don't it look like crab meat? Y'all, don't look like crab meat? It does. So we're gonna mix this up. I'm gonna get my vegetables in there, and I'm gonna do my seaweed, and I'm gonna let that marinate. And tomorrow, I'm gonna fry these babies up. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Okay. Onion, and there are the peppers. And now I'm gonna put my seasonings in there, okay? Some salt up in there, because we gotta season it with some salt. I'm gonna hit it with the Old Bay. Hey, baby. Okay? Pepper. Onion powder. The onion powder's better half, okay? This the duo to the golden sands. It's my garlic powder. I'm gonna hit it with the cayenne. Give it a little pop of heat. Some soul seasoning. I got ground cumin. I ground up some seaweed. And I'm gonna just throw that on in there. See that? Because we gotta have that fishy flavor. It's a crab cake. Or not so crab cake. Putting some vegan-ase in there. Okay, vegan-ase. So I'm gonna start with a couple of tablespoons. Now here they go, all pressed out. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is, where's my breadcrumbs and some panko. And we're just gonna roll it around in the panko. So I got a little small one here. Press that in. That's all we're doing. Nice little coating. I'm gonna set it right back over here, and then I'm gonna wrap each one individually, and then I'm gonna fry it tomorrow right before I go drop these off with my daddy. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what they all look like breaded. Okay, now here they are with the panko, just very light, nothing too heavy. And I have some breadcrumbs left over, and if you a savage, you can put them back in the breadcrumb container, but I didn't do that. I didn't do that. So this is what they look like. I'm now about to wrap these individually and put them in the freezer, and they're gonna be ready for deep frying or just pan frying tomorrow. So I can't wait to see what they look like. And I'm up and I'm pan frying. I'm a pan fry for my daddy. But I'm pan frying them. They're nice and frozen and solid. That I'm gonna have to worry about anything falling apart or breaking. And then I'm gonna get a nice little crust on these crab cakes, and I'm gonna prepare to do my little Father's Day drive-by. Remember, I can't post this now. I know my daddy is gonna see it, but I'm gonna show y'all when these get done. Okay. Now we're gonna get this tartar sauce going, and I'm gonna use about 3 heaping tablespoons of some vegan eggs. Okay. All right. Dice up some, or chop up some pickles, some dill pickles, and throw those in there. Juice of half a lemon. We want some garlic powder. Cayenne for just a dash of heat. A bit of pepper. Oh, just a pinch. This is Celtic sea salt, just a pinch. And I put a little bit of yellow mustard in here, and just a little sprinkle of monk fruit sugar. Okay, to sweeten it. Look at how they looking. Look at how they looking. They look so nice. Yeah, so you want to give these maybe about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. But they're looking pretty good. Not too bad. The other batch I'm gonna keep for myself, and I'm probably gonna air fry those just to make them, a little more healthy, and I don't have to use as much oil. So, there you go. Ooh-wee. Lord have mercy. I'm gonna get my tartar sauce going, and this is mine because that's too small. But these 3 are going to him. I'm gonna see how he like it. My fingers are crossed. And then I just scraped out the little bits or whatever that fell off. Y'all, look at this. I kind of like how it's coming out in the air fryer. My. It's not, I'm not losing a lot of the breading or whatever on it. Oh, I can't wait till these come out. Okay, y'all. This is the air fried. I like how that came out much better. Ooh. Because it's crispier. Oh my God. Jesus. Hallelujah. Note to self. Y'all see this? This says salmon cake classic mix. Okay. Make sure that the ingredients are vegan friendly, because see, this is not vegan friendly, but you know what? I'm finna eat them. Tomorrow I'm gonna eat one of them things. I will detox. I'm just so conflicted. I probably won't. Dang, it says egg white solids. Y'all, can y'all, where is it? There it is. I don't know if you can see. I'll be doggone. I'm gonna taste a little bit of it though. I'm gonna taste a little bit. Ugh. I'll be doggone. Anything but that. Man. Better luck next time. But I hope my daddy enjoy. Y'all, it's gonna be another switch up. If he like this, I ain't never gonna say no. I'll be like, Daddy, I'm gonna bring you some more crab cakes. I'm gonna bring you some crab cakes. Okay, sure. I'm waiting to hear it. Man, I hope you like it. Cross your fingers, y'all. Did you like it?
I did.
You liked it, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I did. Now you're gonna have to talk. You got to tell me something now.
Did you like the tartar sauce?
Nope.
That's okay.
Denise told us I was eating stuff. I didn't know what I was eating. I know she's not gonna tell me, but I'm gonna ask anyway. So you had some stuff up in there.
Daddy, it was vegan.
I know you were gonna say that. That's why I said I know it was something in there that I didn't know. But it was good. I had a nice lunch.
Good. It's vegan crab cakes, Daddy.
I figured that.
And guess what was in it?
What?
Jackfruit and chickpeas.
I can take the peas. That's I'm gonna ask her. She might not tell me, but I know I can take the peas. But they were very tender.
Yeah.
There wasn't nothing that I couldn't digest. It infused quite well.
Okay.
So you did a good job, baby.
Thank you, Daddy.
Listen, yesterday was just wonderful. I thank you for it, and you guys that kind of uplifted my spirit. My wife, she's sitting over there looking at me 24/7. So I don't know how long I'm going to be able to deal with that, because every day we conversate, and the message is so touching.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was such a nice day, and I have to thank you and all the rest of the family and who made the day for me. So it was a good day.
That's good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.